Hi there. Good morning. Welcome to our cafe.
Good morning. Everything smells so good here.
Thank you so much. What can I get for you today?
I am looking for something refreshing. What do you recommend?
Our mango smoothie and strawberry lemonade are very popular.
Oh, the strawberry lemonade sounds perfect for a warm day. Great choice. What size would you like for that? Can I get a large size, please?
Sure. One large strawberry lemonade. Do you want normal ice?
Actually, can I have less ice, please? I don't want it too cold.
No problem. Less ice. How about the sweetness level?
I prefer it less sweet. Is that possible?
Yes, we can do half sugar for you. It tastes great that way.
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much.
Would you like to try some of our fresh bakery items today?
What kind of cakes do you have right now?
We have chocolate fudge cake, cheesecake, and butter croissants. I will take one chocolate fudge cake, please. Excellent. Do you want me to warm it up for you? Yes, please. Warm chocolate cake is the best. It really is. Is that all for your order today?
Yes, that's all.
One drink and one cake. All right. Are you having it here or taking it to go?
I will have it here. I want to read a book.
Wonderful. You can sit at any table you like.
Thank you. How much is the total?
Your total comes to $9. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card right here on the machine.
Okay, let me find it. Here it is.
Thank you. The payment is successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Should I wait here for my order?
No need to wait. We will bring it to your table.
Oh, that is so kind of you. Thanks a lot.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your time at our cafe.
Thanks. I'm sure I will.